You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this national park located in southern Chilean Patagonia. If you want to learn how to say Patagonia in the country Chile, that many call Chile, which is not Chile. If you want to learn it, stay tuned. Spanish pronunciation here is Torres, because you have double R. You need to roll the R really long. Torres, meaning towers, del Paine. Torres del Paine. Or in English you can say it as Torres del Paine. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.